for India today.
All right, now quickly shifting focus to Tamil Nadu in Chennai. There seems to be a lot of confusion and chaos where people were right on the streets after there was some confusion over the new COVID-19 guidelines, fresh guidelines. In fact, the city has been divided into 318 sectors. People cannot move from one sector to another without an e-registration pass. As the order was issued late last night, traffic jam witnessed at in many locations there. Not only commercial or private vehicles, but even ambulances were piled up at many junctions. Sectors are cordoned off with barricading. The police is now stopping every vehicle, making the movement slow there. Those who need to attend essential events such as funerals, medical treatment will be allowed to travel after registering themselves on government websites. But chaos indeed that we saw.
Major chaos at Chennai streets as new regulations have been brought in by Greater Chennai Police. For now, what they have done is that they have converted the entire city into 318 sectors by which if you need to go from one sector to the other, you require an e-registration. Now, this e-registration is only given for medical emergencies and to attend a funeral. So many people who actually are working in continuous sectors, they are completely confused as to what to do or not. There you see a large number of vehicles standing over there, even ambulances caught at this location, and many are asking question, what is it necessary to bring such a rule at this point? Tamil Nadu is at the second week of lockdown. The lockdown is supposed to end on 24th of May, and right now you could observe the chaos over here. Officials claim that it is required to actually control the crowd, the movement, and that is why they have gone ahead and brought in this regulation. But the problem here is that already frontline workers and the continuous processing unit workers don't require any e-pass. They have to show the ID card and go ahead and work. But that is turning into a confusion currently, as because even if you show the ID cards currently, they are asking for an e-registration, at least on the app level. So there seems to be a miscommunication between the officials and the police department, and that's the reason so much chaos is observed in the city of Chennai currently. With video journalist Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
All right, I'm going to quickly cut across to Pramod joining us live. Pramod, exactly what is the confusion there, and people coming out on the streets violating the existing protocols in place? What's the government doing about it?
Well, people are definitely coming out of the streets, and like if they don't have a reason, they are being stopped. But this is a different scenario because this is one of the arterial roads in Chennai called as Anna Salai, and here vehicles are being stopped. The bigger confusion here is that until now, frontline workers had to show their ID cards or some kind of pass and they would be allowed to go. But currently what they have done is that you need to register on an e-pass application, and only two reasons can be provided. One, medical emergency, and the other one to attend a funeral. Even wedding has been removed from the e-pass registration, and that's the reason there seems to be a lot of confusion. In fact, at this junction, earlier we saw ambulances, chartered medical vehicles, and even doctors were stopped at this point because they did not carry an e-registration. Now the police claim that they are doing whatever they have been told to do, but they have to be made it very clear that frontline workers are carrying ID cards and they could be given a pass to leave. But unfortunately, there seems to be a lot of confusion over it, and that's the reason there was huge chaos at this point. Even people going to the brim of protesting. But for now, they have been asked to show the e-pass and then they are allowed to go here.
Right, Pramod, thank you very much for joining us with those details. There you have it. In Chennai, we're seeing some chaos, but it seems like it's been corrected for now. At the moment, several southern states are currently trying to fix the situation.